Som&Fail.
Hey, I'm fine.
It's nice to meet you.
Look like we going to be roommates.
Yeah,
So where are you from?
I'm from Tacoma. How about you?
I'm from Ontario.
In Canada.
No, it's in California. It's a smaller city in Southern California.
So, what made you come here?
I wanted to go to a different state.
I see. Hey, if you don't mind, I took this side of the room.
No problem. They look the same to me.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
I'm a night person.
That's good. That's good. So am I. I like to sleep in the morning.
The shoes work out well then.
Hi, my name is Som.
Yes, I'm Mad.
It's nice to meet you.
Looks like we going to be roommates.
Yeah,
So where are you from?
I'm from Tacoma. How about you?
I'm from Ontario.
In Canada.
No, it's California. It's a smaller city in Southern California.
So, what made you come here?
I want to go to a different state.
I see. Hey, if you don't mind, I took this side of the room.
No problem. They look the same to me.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
I'm a night person.
That's good. So am I. I look to sleep in the morning.
That should work out well then.